everyone, in this tutorial we will show you how the dating feature works. Let's start. Open the app in your device. Go to the dating feature. If you have an account, log in. If you don't, tap Sign Up Now. Enter in your full name, email, phone number, password, and then confirm the password. Tap Sign Up to continue. Tap Open the dating feature once again. It's time to create your dating profile. Fill out all the necessary information. Enter the profile title and date of birth. Type a little bit about yourself. Select your marital status. Select your gender. Enter your location. Choose who you would like to be matched up with. Select the age range for the match. Tick mark this box if you would like to receive notifications and enter your name. Tap Save to continue. Next is to add pictures. Tap on the box to add single or multiple photos. Tap Upload Photo to continue. Once the photos are uploaded, it'll start finding people near you. Swipe left for people you are not interested in, and right for people you are interested in. If the profile that you are interested in likes back your profile, then hooray, it's a match. Tap a drop-down menu for more features, like messages, My Matches, notifications, editing your profile, and more. Under My Matches, you can see all the profiles that you have matched with. Under Messages, you can check all the messages. Under Notifications, you can check all your notifications. That's all for now. Stay tuned for new updates.